Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to reset camera settings in iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to camera app. Now here you will change customize settings from you will change. So go back to home screen. So refresh phone. Go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, click on general. Now here click on software update. Make sure your software update is latest iOS 26.01. So if it latest, so go back to settings. Now in settings, scroll down, you will see third option is camera. So click on camera. Now here click on previous setting. Now you will turn off all the features. You will turn off all the buttons. You will see after turn off all buttons, go back to home screen and refresh phone. So that's how you can restart camera settings in iPhone 17 Air Pro. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.